Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. With the festive season on the anvil, the Odisha government has said that all pujas this year will be conducted sans devotees. This was stated Monday in a notification issued by the Special Relief Commissioner's office. More than 15% of the children will be infected by the virus when the third wave of COVID-19 hits Odisha, according to Director Health and Family Welfare Bijoy Panigrahi. He said Monday that special training will be given to health workers for treatment of the affected children. After more than 3 months, the number of Delhi COVID-19 cases dipped below the 1,000 mark for the first time Monday. The state reported 886 new COVID-19 cases and 66 fresh fatalities. Both Additional Collector NC Jyotiranjan Naik was injured Monday when the car he was travelling in collided head-on with another car on NH57 near Daspalla in Nagar district. Naik suffered a fractured leg. 5 others were also injured in the accident. A woman was killed and 2 others injured Sunday night when 2 groups clashed over past enmity at Katakunta village under Narsinghpur police limits in Cuttack district. The Supreme Court asked Monday the Centre, Bharat Biotech, Serum Institute and others to respond to a plea seeking directions for disclosure of data on clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccines. It said that data is needed to remove vaccine hesitancy. The Lok Sabha passed a bill Monday which will ensure that account holders will get up to Rs 5 lakh within 90 days of the RBI imposing moratorium on their banks from the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. 8 people including 2 children were killed Monday and 2 others seriously injured when a truck rammed into a hut in which they were sleeping in a village in Gujarat's Amreli district. Speculation is growing by the minute that football superstar Lionel Messi is all set to join French club PSG after leaving Barcelona. Messi himself has said talks are on with PSG, though nothing has been finalized. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.